This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Hananya, Maseches Kilayim, Perek Zayin, Mishna Tes. HaPerach HaYetzim in Aris. So an Aris, like we said, is when you have a row of 5 vines that are on top of this wall. So if the wall also has an extension on top, so we have the vines over here, and then the walls near them, and you have the extension on top of the wall that the vines are placed on top of. Now if the vines then grow past the wall, so the halacha is Rayin Oisei Ki'ilu Metuteles Tuluya Bay and Kenegdei Aser. So what this means is, let's imagine over here we have one of the vines on top of the wall, then the vines are extending on top of the extension that's sticking out of the wall. So now the person has to distance any Kelayim 4 amas from here, from the end of the extension. So if you go straight down, they have to distance Kelayim 4 amas. But what happens if one of the vines, a single vine, extends past this point? What is the halacha then? It goes past the 4 amas. So the Mishnah says, we see it as if there is a mututelis hanging from it, and directly opposite it, it's forbidden to plant Kilayim. So what this means is, a mututelis is like a rope with a rock at the end, and they would use it to make sure that the walls were straight. So what the Mishnah is saying is that directly underneath this extension, a person cannot plant Kilayim, but the rest of the area, a person is allowed to plant Kilayim there. V'chein bedalis, and the same is true with the dalis, which is a single vine that's on top of a wall, not a group of 5 vines where you need a separation of 4 amas from the extension, but even an individual vine where all you need is a separation of 6 tvachim. The halach will be the same if a part of it extends further past this, that directly beneath it a person cannot plant Kilayim. The Mishnah continues, if a person stretches out a grapevine from one tree to another tree, so tachta aser, directly beneath this extension, it's forbidden to plant Kilayim. What if sipka bechevel oy begemi? What if a person extended it from one tree to another tree, but it wasn't long enough, so they had to use a rope or a reed in order to reach the next tree? So tachas asipuk mutter, beneath the rope or the reed, a person is allowed to plant Kilayim. However, if asa kedei shehalech olav v'chodesh, if the person added the rope or the reed in order that the vine should grow on it to reach the next tree, so then aser, it's forbidden to plant directly beneath it because it is bottle to the grapevine.